Hi there, it's me, actor, producer, and Flagstaff's favorite son, Ted Danson. Flagstaff is participating in the National Mayor's Challenge for Water Conservation. Go to mywwaterpledge.com and pledge to conserve water. What?
What are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing?
Looks like you're about to rob a bank.
No, I'm shooting a commercial.
Why?
Because I want everybody in Flagstaff to go to mywwaterpledge.com.
Why?
So they can all take the pledge to conserve water.
Why?
So they can compete with other cities, win cool prizes, and help save our environment.
And you're gonna scare them into doing this.
No, I'm using celebrity endorsement, specifically National Treasure Ted Danson. Watch this. Flagstaff is participating in the National Mayor's Challenge for Water Conservation. Go to mywwaterpledge.com and take the pledge to conserve water today. It takes less than a minute, and you just got to do it by the end of April. You can win cool prizes from the Wyland Foundation, or a nonprofit will win a car. See? Nothing. They're just sitting there on their phone, scrolling through Facebook, looking what their ex-girlfriend ate for breakfast 3 weeks ago. But watch this. Hi there. Flagstaff is participating in the National Mayor's Challenge for Water Conservation. Go to mywwaterpledge.com to pledge to conserve water by the end of April. It takes less than a minute. You can win amazing prizes from the Wyland Foundation, or a nonprofit organization will win a new Toyota Highlander. See, look at them, flocking to take the pledge.
Are they?
Yeah, that's the power of 16 Primetime Emmy nominations. Ted Danson never fails.
Ted Danson's going to sue you.